administrative internship program is an intense 3-month program whereby interns get to work with senior leadership in the organization, doing a lot of strategy development, project management, and really engage in the organization to help us solve some of our most challenging problems.
There are only certain opportunities that you have to work in an environment that involves patient care, teaching, and research. Our training programs offer that. There is no other place like UCLA.
Throughout the summer, we have meet and greets with all of the senior leaders in the hospital. As a cohort, we've also met with a really broad range of people where you get exposed to sort of what their typical days look like and what they're working on.
Part of my mentorship is to help them navigate our systems and feel part of the team, and we support them throughout the entire process. We meet with them regularly to ensure that we're answering their questions. We're guiding them not only professionally, but also sometimes personally to achieving their goals.
One of the things that is most valuable is the opportunity that it gives you to see and be exposed to leadership and leadership decisions. Many people who do summer internships are fearful of speaking up. I think we embrace that here. So if people want to participate, we want to hear their feedback because everyone has a voice at the table.
I had 3 years of experience at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, but now having come in here, it allows me to kind of dig deeper as to why are we doing this and has it always been done this way, and then try to find those opportunities for growth.
This program has helped to foster my individual growth by allowing me to gain a perspective of individuals who have come before me. I've been able to really work and fulfill large roles and duties that I don't think I would have been trusted with in another opportunity besides this one.
We all bring sort of different backgrounds and different experiences to the internship programs. It's obviously a really good place to be learning from and seeing how things are done here.
Everyone's been so supportive in teaching and being willing to share their experiences. It is a great opportunity and really one of the most fulfilling things I've done.
I can't think of a better place to work. Anything that you're going to see in healthcare, you're going to see at UCLA Health. It is our responsibility and our privilege to really train that next generation of healthcare leaders.
If you're thinking about applying for an internship program at UCLA Health, don't hesitate. This is the place to be.